Birthday list begins with Ty Thomas, who's celebrating the big number 10 right there in a much warmer atmosphere. Happy birthday to you, Mr. Ty and Iola.
And up next we have the Shaw twins. First up, Savannah Shaw, turning 11-year-old in Dennis, Kansas. And then Tegan, of course, is 11 as well. With love from Mom and Pop.
You know that I think, and I don't know if the Shaw family watched the show, but when I saw that birthday wishes came from Pop, Arrested Development.
Oh.
Remember that's what George Michael and maybe call Grandpa, call him Pop. That's good. We got Ariana Henderson, who's celebrating her 12th birthday today. Ariana, I want you to have a great birthday, kiddo. She's in Chanute.
Down in Fairland, Oklahoma, Isabella Whalen, turning 14 years old. Isabella.
Owl Pride.
Yeah, come from Mom, Emmy, and Nanny.
I'm ready. DJ Anderson. Birthday was yesterday, but we're going to carry this on through today. So a very happy 15th birthday in Oswego.
Playing Santa there, I see. And then in Commerce, Oklahoma, Cody Rector turning 15 years old this year. Happy birthday from Mom and the family.
All right, we got called the DMV. I don't know if we've got to make appointments these days or what. I'm not sure how they're working it. But we got to make sure that Ethan Yarnell makes that driver's license official right now because he is celebrating the big number 16. Ethan, a happy birthday in Erie.
All right, Brendan Alters celebrating birthday number 17 this year in Franklin, Kansas.
Let's run out to Richards because Clara Kane is celebrating an 18th birthday. You get a better look at that on that big screen right there? See what that is? I'm trying to...
No, it gets a...
It's a certificate or a diploma of some sort, I believe.
I have a feeling it goes with baking.
I'm going to guess, yeah, well, I guess that.
Yes.
Well, Clara, congratulations and a very happy birthday to you as well.
All right. David Camp turning the big 6-0 with a little throwback pick there.
That is not David at 60.
No. Looking good there, David at 60. David is in Fort Scott.
I love the throwbacks. And Mike Triber celebrating his 69th birthday. Mike, I want you to have a marvelous birthday in Chanute. We got one more to pass along. Let's give Wade Daniels a screen all to himself as he is celebrating his 35th birthday. Wade, a very happy birthday in Mound Valley. And a happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this January the 19th. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website at KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up, and once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today. Now